Hi ka-watchers, this is me again, Alvin Pinupal, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin ko is I will do a reaction video ni Alip Bata. So I don't know kung sino ba talaga to siya, but ang alam ko lang is isa siyang sikat na gitarista. Hindi na natin patatagalin pa, so sisimulan na natin. Wow! Intro pa lang yun, napapawaw na ako. Grabe, napakahusay niya. Tingnan natin yung kamay niya. Kahit saan na lang pumupunta, grabe. Actually guys, maganda po siya pang background music. Pag gumawa tayo ng spoken poetry, maganda siya. Kiss to the Rain. This is also one of my favorite. So, wow. Wala akong masabi. My heart reads hopes. Don't cry. Napakahusay. Look at my skin. Grabe. Napakagaling. Masarap pa sa is. Nare-relax yung mind natin pag naririnig natin siya nagagaling. Grabe, napakahusay. And nakakabilib yung talent niya. Akalain nyo naman, yung kamay niya, look at that. Wow. Oh. Grabe. Ang galing. Wala akong ibang masabi kundi napakagaling, napakahusay at nasa kanya na po lahat. Yung finger style, grabe talaga yun. Yung mga kamay niya, grabe, napakabilis lumipat sa ibang fret, mga ganun. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang meron siya na wala ako. At talagang masarap din po siya sa ears, nakakapag-relax po yung mind natin pag naririnig natin siya naggigitar. Grabe, napakahusay. And also, yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung Kiss to the Rain is also one of my favorite. So more videos to come, Alip Bata, and God bless to you. I hope na marami pa talagang videos na dumating and mai-inspire yung ibang mga gitarista. And that's the end of our video for today. I hope that you like it, guys. And if you are new here, again, please don't forget to click subscribe and also click the notification bell for you to be notified to my next video. Any suggestion po for the next reaction video na gagawin ko, just comment down below. So that's all, and goodbye ka-watchers!